done with the tub, you're ready to get out. Again, you're gonna shut everything down. You have to make sure that all your jets are shut down before you start draining your tub. Once you start draining the tub, again, you go back to the easy drain button right here. Just turn it down. It's gonna release the drain. You wanna get out a little bit quicker today, just use the easy access drain with your foot to push that second drain up. It's just a backup drain to help drain the tub faster. While you're sitting in the tub and waiting for the tub to drain, you've got your handheld. You take your handheld, you can rinse down your tub, you can rinse down your body, your hair, and then keep yourself warm while the tub is draining. Now, your tub is drained and you're all ready to get out. The tub is drained. Again, you got your easy lever on your door. Open up your door, use your grab bar, step out of your tub, grab your towel, and you're ready to go. Once you're out of the tub, you'll notice probably about after 30 seconds of using your tub, you're gonna hear the tub kick in. And what that is a blower, it's a blowing system. What it does actually is it blows the waters out of the line. These tubs, all their tubing actually goes around the tub, so we don't want water sitting in our lines and getting moldy and corroded. So what the blower does is it actually will blow the water, excess water out of your tub. And there you have it. Hydrotherapy, comfort, and safety all in one tub. Visit EZProExpress.com to get yours.